So hello Sunbeamers, welcome to another class of science. That is the human body, the circulatory system. The first chapter of science. I think you have already watched the introductory class. So now we will start our chapter, human body, the circulatory system. Okay. So what do you mean by circulatory system? Circulation means to move. Circulatory means to move. Circulatory means to move or to transport. So to stay alive, digested food, oxygen, waste have to be transported from one part to another part. Suppose हमारा खाना कहाँ बनता है, हमारा खाना हम खाते हैं, फिर खाना एब्जॉर्ब होता है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स को खाना जाना चाहिए कि नहीं, तो एनर्जी कैसे मिलेगा, हाउ वी विल गेट एनर्जी? So for that we need blood for transportation. Okay, lungs, it absorbs oxygen, but transportation of the oxygenated blood, the blood containing oxygen, we need blood. So for all these transportation works, we need circulatory system. Okay. So what are the organs of circulatory system? Circulatory system is organ system. What are the organs of circulatory system? They constitute blood, heart, and blood vessels. Blood, heart, and blood vessels. So now we will learn in detail about blood. Okay. We will learn in detail about blood. Blood. You see, this is the blood. Blood is red in color. Okay. And different kinds of cells are also found in the blood. So blood is a red liquid. Blood is a red liquid. Okay. Blood is a red liquid. And what are the functions of blood? You have to note down all the functions. But before that, in our body, blood moves in vessels. Blood क्या है, ट्यूब जैसे वेसल के थ्रू मूव करता है, ओपनली मूव नहीं करता. Okay, they move through vessels. Okay, they flow around the body in vessels. They flow in vessels. Okay, what are the functions? Yes, the functions of our blood. First function is takes digested food to all parts of the body. Oxygen to all parts of the body. Okay. Removes carbon dioxide. Okay. From all parts. When it will give oxygen, it will remove carbon dioxide also. And collects waste. Collects waste and transports to kidneys. Okay. So this is your digested food. From where it will take? From the digestive system. It will take from the digestive system. Oxygen from where it will take? It will take from the lungs. Okay, it will remove carbon dioxide from the body and it will take to the lungs. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बॉडी से रिमूव करके कहाँ लेगा? लंग्स को लेगा. क्यों लेगा? फिल्टर करने के लिए. And it collects waste from the body parts and transport to kidneys. Okay, these are all the functions of our blood. Okay, oxygen to all parts of the body from lungs. Lungs से सारे body parts को लेगा. Removes carbon dioxide from body parts to the lungs. Okay, and collects waste and transport to the kidneys. Now we will learn about blood vessels. Okay, details about blood vessels. So I hope we have written this. If you have not written, you can pause the video and write. Okay, now let's move to blood vessels. Blood vessels. So you see, we have three kinds of blood vessels. For major, we have in a picture. I have given three kinds of blood vessels are there. So we will learn about in detail. What are blood vessels? Tubes in which blood flows around the body. You may write tubes in which blood flows around the body. Around the body. Okay. There are the blood vessels. Three kinds of blood vessels. What are the three kinds of blood vessels? First is your artery. First is your artery. Arteries, they carry blood away from heart. Away from heart. What is heart? What is the function of heart? We will learn shortly. We will learn. Okay. Away from heart. Okay. And this blood which carries away from heart, it contains oxygen, nutrients, digested food. Okay. Nutrients from the digested food. And also when they go away from heart, they get thinner and smaller. हार्ट के पास जो आर्टरी होगा वो मोटा होगा और जब बॉडी पार्ट्स के पास जाएगा वो धीरे धीरे पतला होते जाएगा. ओके, एंड दिस ब्लड दैट यू कैन राइट, दिस ब्लड contains oxygen. Basically it carries oxygenated blood and nutrients. Okay, now veins. Veins just opposite of artery, carries blood to the heart, carries blood towards heart, to the heart, carries blood back to the heart, back to the heart. Okay, it basically contains carbon dioxide blood and it are thin wall. You can write there thin wall. They are thick wall. You see in the picture you can see arteries have thick walls. Veins have thin walls. See, there are valves in the vein. The vein we have valves, but artery there is no valve. Valve means what? Like this openings, like this door-like structure. But here there is no valve. Okay, and capillaries, they are very small. They are connecting between veins and arteries. They are capillaries. So what is capillaries also we are going to learn. Capillaries. Capillaries. Narrow and thin blood vessels. Narrow and thin. You see in the picture you can see they are very narrow. They are very thin. Okay. Okay. Oxygen. One more point about them is oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nutrients can pass through, can pass through them. To change the color, because we will get confused. Okay. So suppose one artery carries blood to a body part. Suppose here is your heart. Diagrammatically, I will explain. Here is your heart. Artery carries blood to your body part. Okay. Here, all the oxygen will go. All the oxygen will go to that body part. Here is the body part, suppose. And here you will have capillaries, small blood veins, small blood vessels, capillaries. And from here, your vein will start. So here, exchange of materials, oxygen, carbon dioxide, everything will be exchanged. It will give oxygen to the body part and take carbon dioxide. Another one, this vein will take back the carbon dioxide. Oxygen will come to the body part through artery. Vein will take back carbon dioxide and to the capillaries. This all the oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients will be exchanged. Okay, so capillaries are the connections between arteries and veins. Capillaries are the connections between arteries and veins. And largest artery, largest artery in the body is aorta. Aorta, largest artery. It is present, okay, near the heart. Okay, largest artery is aorta, and important veins also you remember. Important veins also you remember. Important veins like your superior vena cava, that is brings blood upper part of the body, brings blood from upper part of the body to heart. And inferior vena cava same brings blood from lower part of the body to heart. Suppose blood is coming from brain to heart, means it is upper part of the body. So which will be used? Superior vena cava will be used. If blood is coming from kidney to heart, it is the lower part of the body, inferior vena cava will be used. Done? Okay, now we will learn about heart. Now we will learn about heart. Heart is a pumping organ which pumps out blood. Heart is the pumping organ which pumps out blood. Okay, pumping organ. Heart is the pumping organ which pumps blood. Okay, and sends it to these arteries, veins, and everything. So these are the pumping organ that pumps blood. Okay. Heart is very small. It is like your fist. This is the size of your hand only. Your heart is very small. It is a fist size organ located in the chest. Located in the chest region. And protected by rib cage. Rib cage I have already showed you near the lungs. You have a rib cage. So rib cage protects the heart. Heart has 4 chambers. Heart has 4 chambers. Has 4 chambers. Upper 2 auricles, lower 2 ventricles. Upper 2 को क्या बोलते हैं? Auricles. Lower 2 are ventricles. And these auricles receive blood. These 2 are auricles. Suppose the diagram I will show you. This is your these 2 are your auricles. These 2 are your ventricles. Okay. It receives blood and it gives away blood. Auricles क्या करते हैं? Receive करते हैं blood को, and ventricles gives away blood. And because ventricles give away blood, ventricles have thick walls. Ventricles have thick walls. Ventricles have thick walls. Okay, that's why ventricles have thick walls. So it has 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called auricles. Lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Auricles receives the blood. Ventricles gives away the blood. And ventricles have thick walls. Ventricles have thick walls. Ventricles have thick walls. Okay. And now we will learn about circulation. Now we will learn about circulation. How circulation takes place. Very, very important. Okay, circulation. How circulation occurs. See, see from the lungs, oxygen reach blood because lungs absorb oxygen. From the lungs, oxygen leaves reach blood, comes to this heart. I will use black. Comes through this heart. Okay, okay, comes to heart through veins. Through veins. Through veins, it comes to heart because veins carry blood to the heart. So through veins कहाँ oxygen reach blood lungs से heart को आते हैं किससे आते हैं veins से आते हैं okay then from the heart it is pumped out to all parts of the body arteries vein से कहाँ आते हैं heart को आते हैं फिर heart से artery के थ्रू से सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स को जाते हैं जैसे ये एक बॉडी पार्ट है सपोज और सारे बॉडी पार्ट को आर्टरीज के थ्रू से जाते हैं कहाँ जाते हैं आर्टरीज के थ्रू से जाते हैं एंड इट कलेक्ट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑक्सीजन देख के ब्लड वेसल क्या करता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कलेक्ट कर देता है किसके मदद से कैपिलरीज से एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस कहाँ होता है कैपिलरीज ये याद रखो इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सचेंज exchange of gases occur in capillary एक्सचेंज ये या तो आप मैंने जस्ट पता एक्सचेंज है एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस कहाँ होता है कैपिलरीज में होता है इसमें कम है 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन ओके एंड अभी क्या हो गया ब्लड ऑक्सीजन दे दिया बॉडी पार्ट को और बॉडी पार्ट से क्या ले लिया कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ले लिया अब कहाँ जाएगा फिर हार्ट के पास जाएगा किससे जाएगा वेन्स के थ्रू से जाएगा इट विल गो थ्रू द वेन्स इट विल गो टू द हार्ट इट विल गो टू द हार्ट देन it needs to go to the lungs for filtration ब्लड को फिल्टर करना है ना फिर से ऑक्सीजनेटेड बनाना है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को वहां दे देना है बाहर कर देना है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आर्टरी के मदद से फिर से इसको हम लोग लेंगे लंग्स को लेने के बाद लंग्स फिर इसे फिल्टर करके फिर उसे भेज देगा हमारे रेस्पिरेशन के थ्रू से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकल जाएगा फिर ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड वेन के थ्रू से हार्ट को आएगा फिर हार्ट से आर्टरी के थ्रू से बॉडी पार्ट को जाएगा फिर वेन्स के थ्रू से हार्ट को आएगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ब्लड फिर उसे आर्टरी के थ्रू से लंग्स को भेज देंगे दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर सर्कुलेशन ओके नाउ हार्ट बीट इफ यू go near to your chest to left part of your chest you may feel a thumping sound क्या है हार्ट बीट है पंपिंग ऑफ हार्ट ओके हार्ट पंप करता है बोल के हमें ये साउंड होता है ठीक है थम्प थम्प साउंड ओके उसे किससे मेजर करते हैं द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज कॉल्ड स्टेथोस्कोप डॉक्टर के पास तुम देखे होगे ओके द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज कॉल्ड स्टेथोस्कोप स्टेथोस्कोप से हम लोग मेजर करते हैं ओके सो हार्ट बीट कितना होता है पर मिनट 70 बीट 72 बीट्स पर मिनट 70 और 72 बीट्स पर मिनट ऑन एन एवरेज हार्ट बीट हमारा होता है पर मिनट को इतना हार्ट बीट होता है एंड नेक पल्स सुना देता है स्ट्रेचिंग एंड रिलैक्सिंग पल्स रिस्ट में अगर हम एक हाथ रखोगे तुम लोग रिस्ट के पास एक थ्रॉम्बिंग फीलिंग होगा उसे बोलते हैं हम लोग पल्स ओके इट इज कॉल्ड एज pulse and for today only this much okay we have completed circulatory system so for next class we will meet with a new topic some new interaction okay till then thank you bye bye and take care don't forget to subscribe our channel and like all the videos thank you